Let me show you a really fast and crazy trick that you can use to scrape any website with ChatGPT without writing a single line of code. And one cool thing about this trick is that you don't need to worry about getting blocked by Captcha or any other anti-bot system like Cloudflare. So take for instance, I want to scrape a list of PS5 controllers from Amazon and this page launches. And once it launches, what you are going to do is save this page as an HTML file into any folder on your system. Once the page is downloaded, you can visit the folder where it is located and let's open it up to see how it looks. So this is the page that we are targeting. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll open up ChatGPT and I've preloaded or pre-typed the prompt inside the chat box here. So the prompt I'm using is a simple prompt that says analyze the provided HTML file and scrape the following product data from all the vertically listed products. So we had to specify that the products are vertically listed because when you scroll down this page, you will see that there are products that are actually horizontally listed. So we are trying to prompt ChatGPT to not scrape this vertically or this horizontally listed product along with this one down here. So the next thing I'll do is to load the HTML file from my local directory into ChatGPT, and then after it loads, I'm going to send this prompt. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, so here we go. ChatGPT actually scrapes the product data into a table. So let's confirm if the data that is being scraped or that have been scraped are correct. So let's go into the downloaded HTML file that we've loaded in the browser. For instance, the first product is cooling station for PS5 and all this title. Let's see if that is correct. Stand for PS5, that's the last thing. And yes, that is correct. And the price is 26.39, and that's also correct. And the second product is actually 12.99, and the rating for the first product is 61. So let's see if that is equally correct. That's equally correct. And when we check this page, we can actually see the number of or the stars that this product has. Let's see if it's correct. So that's correct. And also the same thing for the second item. Some data is actually missing, so well, not to worry about that. You can probably fill in that later, or maybe because they are not available, that's why ChatGPT is not bringing them up. But this is pretty decent. This is very decent. Okay, so something is missing. We can reprompt or just follow up and tell ChatGPT to create or extract the results into a downloadable CSV file. So let's run that and see what ChatGPT gives us. So it saves the file or the data into a downloadable CSV file, and we can open it. We can download this file and then come into the folder where it is and open the file. And here we have the results here in a CSV file. So folks, you just create a product listing page with ChatGPT with a very simple prompt without writing a single line of code. That's amazing. Like I said, this method is a foolproof to blockers or anti-bots like Cloudflare, Hakamai, Captcha, or whatever. it actually also deals with JavaScript rendering, because what you're literally doing is that you load the website through a browser and you allow it to load completely. So instead of scraping or copying each of these one by one, because maybe you don't want to write code or you don't know how to write code, so you just download this entire file that has been preloaded. It doesn't matter. So once it downloads as an HTML, you load it into ChatGPT. So even if the website is using some like a protection like Cloudflare, for instance, you can always bypass it because you would have solved this challenge before loading this page in the browser. And so the only limitation of this trick is that you might not be able to implement pagination as you want, but you can visit the second page and do the same thing we did for the first page. Download it and load it into ChatGPT manually and scrape the product automatically without writing code. So while you might not be able to pass and follow the next page link programmatically like we do with Python or JavaScript, you can also do that manually here. So thank you guys, and that's it. We've come to the end of the tutorial. So if you like this video, please put a like on it, and most especially please subscribe to my channel, because that is what keeps me going and that's what encourages me to make more videos. So look forward to more.